Hello, crypto YouTube, crypto family. This is Crypto Farang, pre-recorded from Thailand. And if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to the channel and hop on over to Twitter and follow me at Crypto Farang. And as a reminder, I am not a cryptocurrency expert, a blockchain specialist, or a financial advisor. I'm just another digital asset maniac making YouTube content. So remember, invest at your own risk. Welcome back to the channel. Really excited about 21 subscribers. Lucky number 21. Welcome everyone to the channel. And if you did not catch yesterday's video, it was more or less a quick market update. I was just pondering a bit on the most recent dip we had under 2,000 US dollars for one Bitcoin. And let's have a look at the market. Today, at just after 2 p.m. on a Friday in Chiang Mai, Thailand, the market is on a slight uptick. We have Bitcoin back over 9,700, XRP 27 cents and some change, and then VeChain trading sideways. And I did mention in yesterday's video that although I had made a commitment not to invest any more into digital assets, I was fully invested. I saw this most recent pullback as another opportunity, and I did buy the dip. I think I can pretty confidently say that I'm not going to invest any more money in digital assets, but then again, hey, this is cryptocurrency, and so often the rules do not apply. But in all seriousness, I will just share with you that my bullishness about cryptocurrency and this whole space, mainstream adoption, is so strong that when I see a pullback like this, and if I've got a little bit of money sitting in the bank, well, for me, it just makes sense to invest it in digital assets because I have a strong vision for where this space is headed. So in the short term, really optimistic about the speculation around digital assets, and because all the altcoins are tethered to Bitcoin, and because I see short to midterm Bitcoin performing very well, I think that I'm going to see some really positive price movements with some of my altcoin holdings. But then if you just take that out of the equation, there's just too much potential for mainstream adoption, which brings us to two articles. One from the Daily Hodl, $7.8 trillion asset giant Fidelity hiring Bitcoin engineer plans to scale its cryptocurrency mining operation. Now, I'm not going to go into a whole lot of detail, but let's just say that $7.8 trillion asset giant Fidelity is investing in Bitcoin mining infrastructure. Period. Boom. Enough said. Moving on to the next article. Financial giant Morgan Stanley acquires ETrade in $13 billion deal. This from Cointelegraph. And just quickly to cover the section on ETrade's intention to provide digital asset custody for its customers, the party's involvement with the crypto world. In April, ETrade announced its plan to begin offering digital currency trading on its platform. At the time, the company was preparing to offer Bitcoin and Ether, after which it would add cryptocurrencies. As for Morgan Stanley, the company was ready to launch swaps tracking Bitcoin futures since early fall in 2018, but did not receive a single contract by the end of the year. Nonetheless, the firm is ready to launch crypto services once there is a sign of demand. As such, the Wall Street giant postponed its plans when the value fell back at the end of 2018. So if my vision for the space is accurate, I think we're going to see a lot of positive price movement with Bitcoin in the next 18 months to 2 years. That should be the instigator to get this going. So you've got Morgan Stanley. Everyone knows Morgan Stanley. You know, your parents, your grandparents, they feel comfortable investing with Morgan Stanley. your parents, your grandparents feel comfortable or felt comfortable investing with Fidelity. This is the traditional financial system getting ready for all this big stuff coming with cryptocurrency and digital assets. That is absolutely how I feel about it in my gut. I am hyper bullish on this whole thing, and every day we continue to get more bullish news. It's just crazy. That's how I feel about it. When you look at this, these are facts. The big money coming into the crypto space, all the bullish news about Bitcoin. It's just insane. And I think I have to leave it there for today. But as always, thank you so much for joining me on the channel today. If at some point I become less bullish, if my bullishness is shaken, you will be the first to hear about it. And if you haven't done so, please like and subscribe to the channel. And as a reminder, please treat others the way that you'd like to be treated. And remember, crypto hindsight is always 20/20. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.